Hey, check this out. It's Saturday, August 12th, and our Amazon influencer training is almost done, okay? It is going to drop tonight. I promise you that. We're getting the finishing touches done. It's ready to go. Check out the link in my bio called Amazon Influencer Waitlist. If that's not there, that means the waitlist is over, and it's going to change over to Amazon Influencer Training Program. Check that out. We're going to have a course that's going to show you how to do review videos and submit them to Amazon. And be able to make money over and over again every time somebody watches that video and buys. If you are an affiliate marketer, you want to do affiliate marketing with this course, we are offering an affiliate program also. We're going to pay 70% commission, okay? So jump on this quick, because for the next couple of days, that link is going to have a discount attached to it, okay? So you're going to be able to have access to that for the next couple of days. But get signed up. We're going to have a lot of fun with this course. We're going to have a lot of fun in our community, and we're going to learn how to make money with Amazon instead of spending all your money on Amazon. So check it out. See you soon.